Adzuki beans, nutrient-rich goodness and energy enhancement. Adzuki beans, often referred to by the name red beans, are a well-known and healthy legume that is consumed throughout East Asia. The small reddish-brown beans possess a delicious sweet and nuanced flavor that makes an excellent ingredient for many recipes. Apart from being tasty, they also provide many health benefits and could make a great addition to your food plan. In this post, we'll explore the energy-boosting and nutrient-rich improvement properties of Adzuki beans. Adzuki beans are loaded with important nutrients essential to overall health. They're a great source of protein and contain around 8 grams of protein per cooked half-cup portion. Protein is vital for constructing and healing tissues, boosting the immune system, as well as keeping healthy nails and hair. Adzuki beans are low in cholesterol and fat-free, which makes them an ideal choice for people who want to cut down on the amount of saturated fats they consume. One of the most notable characteristics of Adzuki beans is the amazing amount of fiber. They contain around 4 grams of fiber per 1/2 cup. Serving the beans of Adzuki provide a great source of fiber in the diet. Fiber is a key ingredient in maintaining a healthy digestive system through preventing constipation as well as maintaining regular stool movement. In addition, a higher fiber consumption has been associated to lower risk of suffering from various chronic illnesses like heart disease as well as diabetes and some kinds of cancer. Adzuki beans also are rich in vital vitamins and minerals. They're particularly rich in folate, which is essential to the synthesis of DNA and cell division. Folate is particularly important to pregnant women since it can help protect neural tube defects from the fetuses in development. Adzuki beans are also rich in quantities of magnesium, potassium iron, zinc, and potassium that are vital to maintain healthy bodily functions. Alongside their nutritional composition, Adzuki beans contain special bioactive substances which contribute to their benefits for health. They are, for instance, an excellent source of antioxidants like anthocyanins and flavonoids, which aid in reducing oxidative stress and lower the risk of developing chronic illnesses. The antioxidants are known to have anti-inflammatory qualities which aid in the treatment of a variety of inflammatory diseases. A fascinating feature of Adzuki beans is the ability to increase the level of energy. They provide a constant intake of complex carbohydrates that are the main source of energy for our body. Complex carbohydrates take longer to digest and result in a steady release of energy that helps sustain our bodies throughout the entire day. In contrast to the simple carbs that are found in refined sugars, complex carbohydrates provide a more long-lasting energy source and can help to prevent abrupt spikes and drops of blood sugar. Adzuki beans in your daily diet is simple and extremely adaptable. They are a great ingredient in many different recipes, from stews and soups to sweets and desserts. The region of East Asia, Adzuki beans are often used to make traditional sweets like baked buns stuffed with red bean paste as well as sweetened porridge. It is also possible to cook them and then mashed into a nutrient-rich and tasty dip or spread. For preparing Adzuki beans, begin by washing them in cold water, removing all dirt and debris. After that, put them in the pot of a big size and pour in enough water to completely cover the beans. Bring the boiling water to a boil and then let the beans simmer for 45 to 1 hour or until they are tender. The beans are then rinsed and they're ready to be added to your favorite dishes. Adzuki beans are a nutritious legume with a vast variety of benefits for health. They range from their protein-rich and fiber content to the abundance of minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants. Adzuki beans are able to aid in overall health. Furthermore, their power-boosting properties are a great option for sustaining constant energy levels throughout the entire day. Why not take a look at the wonderful world of Adzuki beans and begin incorporating the beans into your daily diet to lead better health and a more active life?